To get better always on display in Motorola Signature, first of all, if I open a settings on this device right here, and then we go to the home and lock screen personalization, then there's the always on display in sleep display right here. But this option is very limited. There's not much that you can customize things for it. The only thing that is that you can customize is a clock. So it will use the same clock that you have on your lock screen. Now, if you want to get better always on display, which has more options for customization, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here in the search options, look for Movies Edge app. And this is the app that we are looking for. Open it and then allow any permissions that will pop up on this screen. So first we need to enable display over the other apps. Then we can go back and go to AOD. Select whichever AOD you want. Some of them will also offer you the customization options with Edit, and then we can apply it. That way you'll get better always on display, as there's, as you can see, many different options for it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.